Now, this next video may be a little painful to watch if you're a Corvette lover. Flash flooding in Apache Junction, Arizona carried the sports car about 100 yards before it got stuck. The driver, a man in his 70s, was stuck inside the car, but firefighters were able to rescue him. Thankfully, nobody was hurt.
First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Built in Bowling Green, died in Arizona. The car, that is. Yeah. It is painful to watch, to see that Corvette just kind of laying there and just, that's why we say, turn around, don't drown. Everybody laughs at that. Every time we say it, I hear somebody chuckle, oh, turn around, don't drown. Yeah, we made it rhyme on purpose because hopefully you'll remember that when it becomes serious enough, flooding gets serious enough that it's like, I'm not driving through that. It just, I don't know how deep it is. I'm going to turn around, hopefully not drown. Now, we do have some heavy rain moving through the area this morning. This could cause a little localized flooding, and we're talking about some streams maybe coming out of Bankfull this morning and then causing some standing water. Some, hydroplaning is also a possibility on the interstates and parkways. So you got to slow it down. The rain, I can hear it right now on the roof here at our studios coming down very hard now. And this is some very strong and heavy downpours right across the Kentucky-Tennessee border, just a little bit north of Clarksville, probably around Adairsville right now, Adairsville getting some of the heavier rain, and then Guthrie as well, and then on down I-24, the Pennyroyal Parkway, all that getting rained on this morning. 72, the current temperature. Let's check some rainfall totals, courtesy of the Kentucky Mesonet Network. Ours hasn't kicked in yet, but here in a few minutes it'll start to kick in. 43 hundredths in Russellville this morning. 78 hundredths of inch of rain, or 3/4 of an inch plus there in Elkton. Over a half inch in Hopkinsville. 6/10 there in Greenville. 11 hundredths in Madisonville. Out to the east, you have yet to get any of that rain, but you will as the morning continues. And temperatures, everybody around the 71, 72 degree mark here this morning. And around Lake Malone, you're getting the rains this morning. You're going to get more through the day. Looking for a high of 86 up in Greenville, maybe 85 Hopkinsville, Elkton, and Russellville. By the way, the Kentucky Powerball jackpot has jumped to an estimated $141 million for Wednesday night, $12 million estimated for the Mega Millions. And here's the rain. It's falling right now over our studios, and here's Russellville Road, and you see the cloudy skies and the low visibility and the showers coming down. 72 degrees, winds out of the southwest at 5, 100% relative humidity. Here's a look at the rain coming down on our AAA Systems weather cam in Greenville. And you've been getting some rain there this morning. 71 degrees. You've picked up 6/100ths of an inch of rain thus far. Rain coming down in Litchfield. You picked up 2/100ths of an inch of rain, and it's starting to rain there. 71 currently. Here's a shot from the Bowling Green Airport and our AAA Systems weather cam that's on Scottsville Road at Independence Bank. 72 degrees as the showers begin to overtake Bowling Green. Jamestown Marina, it's going to take a little longer to get to your place, but 70 degrees under a cloudy sky there this morning. Most everybody's starting out in the 70s with temperatures, and as the rain begins to move out and move in, we've got waves of disturbances rolling around from our west. Here's one coming through now. There's another one back to the west of that, and that one will be here later this afternoon, probably early tomorrow morning. We're going to probably have an instant repeat of what we're getting this morning, again tomorrow morning, for two reasons. One, the available moisture that's in play here, squeezing out the available moisture that's in the atmosphere. We get a break tonight. I think things will be quiet for the most part, especially late night. But then tomorrow morning, here comes a cold front, and it'll squeeze out another round of rain, probably starting about 4 or 5 o'clock tomorrow morning and going through the morning hours. And then some cooler air coming in for the middle of the work week. 86 today, rain and a few thunderstorms. Some of the rainfall heavy. Tonight, mostly cloudy. Chance of a shower early. 71 tomorrow. Another round of rain, maybe not as much as today, but still the chance at 40% with a high of 87. And then a refreshing reprieve as we go through the middle of the week. Sunshine, lower humidity levels, and how about temperatures down into the low to mid 80s? A slight chance of a shower Saturday, but that's it. Otherwise, we're going to run unseasonably cooler for much of this week. No 90-degree temperatures on there, which is a refreshing change.